How to add other story to my story on Instagram without mention. Now without any further ado, let's move into the video. First of all, open your application Instagram. Make sure you are logged into your account. Now let's move into the story of someone on Instagram. Tap on the story of that person. So let's say you want to add this on your story but the person has not mentioned or tagged you on the story. In this case, the only thing you can do is take a screenshot of the story. So head over and take a screenshot of it. Now go back and head over to the story section. Move into your gallery. Select the picture that you have just taken the screenshot. You can adjust the picture anywhere on the screen. You can also crop the picture as per your need. It is actually as similar as to the one when you get tagged or mentioned on the story. Now when you are done adjusting the picture, all you have to do is tap on your story at the bottom. Now you just need to wait for a while for it to upload. There you go, the story has been uploaded successfully. So this is it for today, and this was a tutorial video on how to add someone else's story on your story without mention. I really hope this video is gonna help you out. Thank you for watching it till the end.